Today, we enter the factory to discover how Inter Miami jerseys are created from raw materials into professional performance wear. The process starts with high-performance polyester fibers, engineered to create lightweight, breathable, and durable football jerseys. Computer-controlled knitting machines transform the yarn into specialized fabric, with tiny structures designed for maximum comfort and airflow. Before production begins, every fabric roll goes through strict inspection to ensure it meets professional football standards. Designers use advanced software to create the jersey shape, stripe patterns, logos, and player details with digital precision. Once approved, automated cutting machines slice the fabric into perfectly measured front, back, sleeve, and collar panels. Each cut panel is carefully sorted and bundled, ensuring every jersey moves smoothly through the assembly line. Skilled sewing operators combine the panels using high-speed industrial machines to build the basic jersey structure. The sleeves and shoulder sections are attached with reinforced stitching designed for intense match conditions. The collar is carefully attached, creating a comfortable fit. Advanced heat transfer technology applies the club badge with strong adhesion and a clean professional finish. Player names and numbers are added using specialized printing systems that create sharp, durable graphics. Sponsor branding is carefully positioned and attached, following exact placement measurements. Quality inspectors examine every detail, from stitching strength to logo alignment and fabric performance. Special finishing treatments improve softness, durability, and the overall feel of the final jersey. After passing inspection, each jersey is carefully folded and prepared for packaging. The finished jerseys are packed securely before beginning their journey to fans around the world.
Inside the distribution center, thousands of jerseys wait to be shipped to stores and supporters.
From factory floors to football stadiums, every jersey carries the technology and craftsmanship behind the game.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.